Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading gold. Oh God, 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 oh God. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading gold. Trades by Slade.
Yo, 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 what up, everybody? Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Get the music going over here. Let's get it going. Let's get it rolling. Let's make some money. Let's get it. How's everybody doing this morning, man? What's up? What's up? Let's see here. All right, there we go. We got the music going. Got some music rolling, and now we're ready. What up, Caveman? What's going on, dude? Look at the NASDAQ, dude. Breaking lows, breaking highs. What's it gonna do? It's doing this stupid megaphone pattern again. Breaking the highs up here, breaking the lows. Just chop sesh. Back and forth. Back and forth, back and forth. All right, dude. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's look at the 4 hour here. We came up, tapped into this 4 hour fair value gap, and now we are kind of coming down from there. So we're going to come back down here and re-break these lows. That's the question. And then from there, we tapped in that 4 hours, started coming down, and then we got a good pattern right here. So if you look at this, we got this big bearish candle coming down. We made a fair value gap, and then we also came back up, tapped into this fair value gap on the 30-minute time frame, and now coming down from that. And we also just inversed this 30-minute fair value gap. So I think we're coming down here at least to these lows right here. We'll see though. Let's see. News in 9 minutes. I don't know, man. What news yesterday? I think the government shut down. We'll see though. I ain't gonna. Maybe there's news. 8:15. I just looked. It said there's news at 8:15. Oh, they opened it yesterday? Nice. So yeah, news coming up here at 8:15. So be careful, man. Be careful. Be careful. It says ADP or something, I think it said. So this is kind of what I'm looking at. So we had this 4 hour gap up here. I'm just going to redraw it, kind of draw it better. 4 hour fair value gap, we're rejecting from that. Then we got a tap into this 30-minute gap right here, started coming down. And also, we just inversed this. So let's see if it's going to play out down here to the lows. Or just to the bottom of this candle here. Already tapped the bottom of that candle. Good morning, Steel. What's going on? What's up? What's up? We're live every morning, 8 a.m. for the pre-market. Make sure you're here, hanging out. Make sure you're always here. What up, Wild Wheel? What's up, dude? We're waiting on news here in 7 minutes, dude. Anybody gonna try to pass some accounts on the news? Yeah, Trader Mom, I'm coming out with a video soon, either today or tomorrow. So stay tuned for the video. Like the 350 area or 340 area for lower. Yeah, same thing here, Bib. I like that area too. Yeah, who knows? Got 6 minutes here till the news comes out. What up, Laser? What's going on, dude? Good, bro. Good. Hang on, dude. We gotta get the trolls in here. Let me see. Number one. This is how you get the trolls in here. There we go. They'll be piling in here in a minute. They'll be piling in here in a minute. Oh, dang it. I used the wrong thing. News is ADP. There we go. That's the one I wanted. Brian, I'm waiting on the news. Waiting on the news in 5 minutes. I ain't gonna put on a trade before the news, but in this case, I do like lower. We tapped into this 4-hour fair value gap and started rejecting, came back up, tapped into this 30-minute bearish fair value gap, and then came down and inverse this 30-minute bullish gap. So the targets would be the bottom of this candle body and then the wick down here below it. So we already hit that. The next target would be this candle's low down here. It said ADP at 8:15, so that would be 4 minutes. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if it does anything, but you know, it's better to be safe than sorry. It's better to be safe than sorry. Smash the like button, guys. Hit those emotes. And let me know your favorite pair to trade. Mine is NASDAQ. My favorite's NQ. That's what we're watching right now. Let me know what you like to trade, whether it be gold, crypto. What do you like to trade? Speaking of crypto, let's take a look at XRP, dude. I needed to get down to $1.50. All the way down there. It got close yesterday and then bounced right back up. So, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see about that. Yeah, you can trade off a tablet. Let's go, Flow a go. You got it. Keep me locked in. Wow, Will said, you ever trade metals? I used to trade gold all the time, and I still look at it every now and then, but I mainly focus on NASDAQ now. NQ. Solana's a good deal. Dude, I was thinking about getting it, especially because of the staking aspect. You can earn like 4% just by holding it. What time frame do you find liquidity on? I mean, you can use any time frame. It's just basically highs and lows. Liquidity is basically just highs and lows that stick out like a sore thumb. Just think about it like liquidity, all it is where people place orders. And a lot of people place orders above or below, above highs and below lows. So if somebody was in a short here, they either place their stop loss above this high right here or above this high right here. So that's how you just think about it. That's where liquidity's resting, above highs and lows. Yeah, Bib, I don't know. I'm getting XRP. Maybe I should have got the old Solana. I guess it's the new thing now. But dude, my dad said he was getting XRP, and he always somehow seems to make money with this stuff. So I said, there ain't no way I'm letting him get it without me. Ain't no way. Yeah, Gavin, if it makes sense. If it makes sense. You just got to think logically in trading. You just can't take, longs just because it sweeps a low or a high. Once it sweeps that, then in the back of your head, you're thinking, if it swept this low in the back of your head, you're thinking, hey, there's a possibility it could reverse and go back up here, but you don't just, it's all got to have context and it's got to make sense pretty much. All right, I guess the news came out. It didn't do much. Let's see here if it's going to go take out this low down here. News did not do much. So we did take out this candle body. Are we gonna go take out the lows now? Let's see. You guys think lower or higher? Pumping up right now. Brian, if there's a good setup, take it, man. Market's always moving. It don't care what time it is. It'll give a good setup's a good setup. Don't matter what time it is. Who knows, biblical? I feel like all that news stuff, it's always, man. DJ Johnson says lower. It's related to kind of like a stock, an ETF, NASDAQ, NQ futures is what we're trading, though. Mind Body of Human said it's going higher. Yeah, let's see. It's going higher now. That London low is down there. I mean, of course, overall on the day, I would rather it go up because we had this big drop. So, but man, we'll see. It may just pump it up from here. But that London low is right there. So let's see if it's going to come down there. Got the 30-minute inversion. Took out the candle body. But is it going to go and take out those lows down there for the London low? That's the question. That's the question. Right now, pumping up. Yeah, laser. I mean, it's just faster. They're all supposed to be the same. So it's supposed to be fractal, so it should work on any time frame. All right, I'm about to try a short. If it closes back above, yeah, it's going to get stopped. Crap, dude. About to pump. Dang it. I'm in a short, but if it closes above this inversion, I'll get out. I mean, we got the 30-minute inversion. We came up, tapped into this bearish gap, and then we got a 1-minute inversion was the idea. That was the idea here. So on the higher time frame, we had a 30-minute inversion, even though we already did take out that low right there, that body. We'll see, man. If it closes above this here, I'll get out. Only thing I don't like is it got these little equal highs up here, which could be a pain in the butt. Let's go. Biblical's in a short too. Nice. Makes me feel better. Makes me feel better here. Let's go. Drop it. Yeah, I mean, everything's pointing down. The only thing is we're a little bit kind of lower in this leg, so it may come back up, you know, just to sweep some highs real fast and then drop it. But those London lows are right there. We'll see. Still holding this inversion fair value gap right now. Kind of looks like a little bear flag here. Can it drop it? Can it drop it down now? I'm actually going to adjust this. So now when it breaks this candle's low, I'll move to break even. Just put some risk off the table. Because if it breaks that candle's low, I just feel like it should just go. All right, I'm at break even now. I'm at break even. Didn't quite break it, but all right. Come on, drop it now. Drop it. Drop it. Got 10 points right there, 11 points. Come on, just drop it. Stop in profit for Bib. I'm at break even. Come on, dude. Just drop it. I'm going to go for 20 points here, man. I do think it probably goes and takes that London low, but I'm going to try to just hit 20 points at that low there. See if we can get it. See if we can get it here, man. Consistency rules, Raz. Don't want to make too much. I don't want to make too much. Boom, baby! Let's go! Woo! Probably going to go take out those London lows down there now. Yeah, it's good, man. We got a win here. We called a win. Let's go, Bib. Let's go, dude. Nice win. Look at that. Glad I took it off there. Bouncing up. We got the London lows down here. I'd imagine it goes and takes those out. But 20 points right there locked it in. 20 points right there locked it in. Let's go, dude. Hypertix payout incoming. Hypertix payout incoming. Can request it. Look at that, dude. I'm glad we took it off down there, though. Look at that. Would have been back to break even. Caught the win, dude. Let's go. Hillbilly liquidity. Dude, should we do it? Hillbilly liquidity. Let's do it, man. I ain't scared. I ain't scared. This might be a dumb Marissa says this might be a dumb question, but how do you know where and when you break even? So with the inversion model, you go to break even at the first. So if you're in shorts, it's either at the first low or the first fair value gap. So in this case, there was no fair value gaps. I mean, there was one right here, but it already got tapped. So then at that point, I moved it. So the break even would have been at this low. Well, once we came down and created another low right here and came back up, I said, hey, if it's going to come take out this low, it's probably going to come take out this low. So once it takes out this low, I'll go ahead and move to break even. So at first, when I first entered the trade, the break even was at this low right here because that was the first low. And then once we came down, created a little low right here and bounced back up, I moved the break even to this low right here. Does that make sense? Yeah, NQ. There it was, dude. Let me take a little screenshot here. Take a screenshot. What an exit, though. Bang. Bang, bang. Laser caught that trade too. Let's go, bro. You guys think it's going to go take out the London lows or it's just going to hang around? Is it going to go take out those London lows or is it just going to hang around? Oh, crap. Dang it. ES has taken hate. CS ABA says ES has taken Asia high, so we go into previous day low. Let's see, dude. Let's see if that's gonna happen. If you're not in the Discord, bro, join the Discord. A lot of good traders in there. Fantastic. Good community. All just hanging out, having a good time, bro. Make sure you're in there, hanging out. Yeah. Yeah, Varga. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm requesting a Hypertix payout, so I'll let you know how that goes. I've already gotten 2. I'm about to get another one. Somebody said how to join the Discord. You have to check out, it's not on that platform you're on. You have to check out on another platform. They won't let me post it over there. But just check, I'm live on different platforms. So check out the other platform I'm live on. I'm sure you can figure it out. And the link is in the description or the bio of the channel. Sammy, I use fair value gaps and liquidity. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Make sure you're hitting that like button. Hit that like button. Hit that sub button. And you guys want, let's do a giveaway. Let's do a giveaway this morning. Make sure you're hitting the like button. How many likes? If we don't have at least 40 likes, dude, I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it. We gotta have 40 likes at least to do a giveaway. Bare minimum. Bare minimum 40 likes. Somebody let me know. How many likes do we have? How many likes? If we get to 40, man, we'll do a giveaway. Smash the like button. Smashy, smashy. Smashy, smashy. $40 likes on the tube and we'll do the giveaway. Smash the like button. Let's go. Come on, guys. We called a win this morning, dude. You guys, we're gonna want to give away. Want to give away free prop firm account. Strokers say, can you go over to Hypertick Instant Pro plan? Yeah, so that's basically just going to be like your straight to funded account. That's the ones I like. They're basically just your standard straight to funded accounts. 20% consistency rule. Yo, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. Thanks for the sub. All right, is it going after that London low now? Thanks for the sub. Sorry, guys, I get gassy in the mornings when people sub. When people subscribe, it makes me a little gassy, man. It makes me excited. Look at that, dude. What the heck? What was that? What the heck was that, bro? Came out of nowhere. It's 50% off with code Slade. Yo, thanks for the sub. Get a little gassy when people get a little excited. Getting a little excited when you smash that sub button. Look at that, dude. Is that just a stop everybody out? And now it's going to drop it down to the London lows. Let's see here, dude. So people probably had their stops above here. It came up, stopped them out, and now it's gonna drop it, dude. Crazy. Crazy. And look, equal highs. Remember how I said I was kind of scared about entering this short because we had these equal highs? It came up, took out those equal highs, and now it's dumping down, probably going after this London low right here. So make sure you're noticing these equal highs and equal lows. That's why I was kind of worried about entering the short. Came up, took out those equal highs, and then dropped right back down. Stroker, I'm coming out with a video. I'm coming out with a video soon. It's being edited right now, but it's going over all the plans. And dude, they have a really cool feature with the boosters. So you get HTP points whenever you like purchase accounts and stuff, and you can use them to partially reset your account. So if you have a blow up day, I know everybody has a tilt day every now and then. If you have a blow up day, you can reset the day. So what's good? That's what's good about it. All right, how many likes we got, dude? I'm about to have to get off, so are we at 40 likes on the YouTubes? Somebody let me know. Are we at 40 likes yet on the YouTubes? Nope, 30 likes. Maybe tomorrow. You have to stop by tomorrow. We got to get to 40 likes at least, man. We used to do 69 likes for a giveaway. Can't even get 40 now. All right. So we caught that win. Let's go over here. Yeah, chat's whack for not liking the stream, bro. Thought you guys liked me. Thought you liked me. What's going on? All right, let's do a quick little analysis here, man. Let's do a little analysis. Go over today, get you guys ready to roll on the NASDAQ. So if we take a look here, starting off on the daily time frame. We're just kind of right now, we're just kind of in this little channel going up. So we're just following this little trend channel coming up. And for right now, it's coming up kind of like this, right? We did make a high, and you could say it's kind of making this here, but however you want to look at it, we're near the bottom of that right now. So if we start to break below here, really dump off, but what's more likely? It's more likely to probably bounce back up. But let's see if we can use any fair value gaps here. So if you see here, we talked about this earlier on the 4-hour time frame. We got this 4-hour inversion, which is interesting, man. We got a 4-hour inversion, which means we closed below these gaps here. We got two little fair value gaps, big fair value gap, little fair value gap. This candle closed below it. Now, a lot of people would just target this wick down here, but I noticed that candle bodies can be good targets too. So we did take out this first body down here. We took it out, bounced back up, and then, so that's the inversion. And then from there, we came up, we tapped into this bearish fair value gap right here, and now we're starting to turn it back down. So are we going to go down now and take out this low down here? That's the question. And it's, to me, it's kind of looking like that, but we'll see. Then when you drop it down, you know, you can start looking for closer targets, and that's just kind of how you do it. Use the same strategy on each time frame, gives you a little hint about where price is going. So we used the 30-minute for this trade. We had a 30-minute inversion that made me want to kind of get in short. So we had this 30-minute inversion, and then we closed below there, so we kind of got in shorts and we caught a little win. But for now, it's looking more like we're wanting to go down. Not saying we can't go up, because we did, like I said, already take out this one low down here, this candle body low. So we'll see. We will see. Kind of got to use some clues at the open today, because say this closed right here, then we could still have this target down here, but it already took out this low. So it could just come down, kind of sweep a low and go back up. Chart's too bright. Here you go, bro. I'll fix it for you. Here you go. There you go. There you go. Chart's fixed for you, brother. Is that better? What up? What up? And good afternoon. Well, good morning here. Dude, everybody likes the dark charts, I guess. I kind of like the light. The light charts make it feel more professional. Chartered Society says give him a shout out. There you go, buddy. Shout out to you, brother. Smash the like button. Smash the like button. Dark charts are easier on the eyes. Yeah, I may stick with the dark charts. We'll see, man. Let me do a little poll on YouTube. I'll do a poll real fast. Whichever one wins, that's what we'll stick with from now on. Whatever one wins, that is the charts we'll stick with. Just type it. Type it, type it. Whatever one wins, that's what we'll stick with. How do you get the session highs and lows on your charts? I use ICT kill zones and pivots. And then I just set the times here. I set the times. And I use the daily high and low also. Yeah, yes, it's probably just a good time to wait. It is kind of consolidating here. It is. I mean, there's an argument to say, yo, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. There's an argument to say, like, hey, got the bottom of the range down here. We kind of had the top of the range faked out to the top, so now is it going to drop lower, or did it just extend it up to there? So yeah, just kind of in this range right now. But we did catch a win this morning, bro. We called it. Let's go. It's going to start dropping lower here and go after these lows. Victor said, what was the main reason it dropped? Like, why sell it off? Well, to me, it was because we tapped in to a higher time frame. The way I see the charts, we tapped into a higher time frame fair value gap. So we tapped into this 4-hour fair value gap up here. You see that? We got a fair value gap. It looks like we tapped into it. So then we started rejecting it. So this is how I see the charts. Tapped into this 4-hour gap and then started rejecting down from the gap there. It's basically just an open candle, no wicks. So this wick and this wick didn't meet. Came up, tapped into there and started coming down. And then what confirmed it for me, we were just respecting these gaps. So another 30-minute bearish gap, couldn't close above it. And then right here, we closed under this bullish gap right here. So this is a bullish fair value gap. We closed below there. So then, boom, the bears are in control now, and it's just dropping down. Bears are in control. But if you zoom out here, we are kind of at the bottom of this range now. So keep that in mind also. If we start to break below this range and close below it, hey, we can go down farther. But always keep it in perspective. I mean, you can draw it here, here. However you draw the range, it's kind of near the bottom of it now. So is it going to finally close below here and start to drop? And if you're ever confused on lower time frames, just hop up time frames. So like if the 1 minute, if you're kind of confused here, hop it up. 30-minute looks pretty clear. You can see we're in this big old, got a range here. Starting to drop it down now. Is it going to take out these London lows? Got the London low right here. It's going for it, dude. Just like we said. About to take it out. London low. All right, let's see. Did the dark charts or the light charts win? Let me take a look. Dark charts, dude. Everybody likes the dark charts. All right. I guess I'm gonna fix it up, dude. I'm gonna make it look good. Make it look good this weekend. Yeah, man. Dropping down though. But do you see, look at this. This is what I always like to show people. So if you had the range drawn out here, like either way, if you use fair value gaps, if you use support and resistance, whatever you use, you can clearly see we had a range right here. And then look at what happens. You come up, you break these highs, you get a fake out. So it faked out to the top of this range and then boom, dropped down, came down, retested, couldn't break these highs, so now it's gonna drop it down probably. See that? Had this faked out to the highs, then we came up, had a little pullback, couldn't break these highs, so now we're dropping it down. Just took out those London lows right there too. Took out the London lows. And it's dropping, boys. It's dropping. If we start to close below this gap here, probably going even lower. If we close below here, we're probably coming to take out this low down here. Yo, thanks for the sub, Samuel fam. Get excited when people sub. Gets me a little gassy. Get excited. We're live every morning, by the way, if you didn't know, for the pre-market. Get you ready for the day. We're trading in queue here. And let's take a quick look at gold, though. Let's take a look at gold real fast. See what's going on over there. So if I start here on the daily time frame, we had this big drop off on gold on the daily time frame. We came down, we took out this low down here, swept the low, grabbed some liquidity, and now it's coming back up. Now we're inside of this bearish fair value gap. All right, but we already grabbed this liquidity, so it could just keep on going back up. We'll see. We got to take a look, see what's going on. Take a look and see what's, yo, thanks for the sub, PP, appreciate it. On the 4 hour, still you see we're coming back up after sweeping these lows down here. Just trying to get a hint of where price might be wanting to go now. One hour, same little thing here. You can see on the 1 hour, came down, swept these lows right here on the 1 hour, swept them, and now what's happening? It's popping back up. See that? Swept these lows, popping back up. So if we look on the 30-minute, could continue up from here. But the main thing on gold right now is we are inside of this daily gap. So on gold, if we close above this gap here, if this daily candle closes above the gap, if it closes up here, we're probably coming back to the highs. So I'd be watching this daily candle. If it closes up above here, you can probably be bullish for the next few days. Yeah, this is gold right now. Let's see where it's at. Yeah, so below the London lows there, above the previous day highs. So we swept those London lows and now starting to move it on up. Yeah, let's hop it back over here to the NASDAQ, though. See what's going to happen today. But, yeah, man. I guess we'll stick with the dark charts for now. Everybody's liking the dark charts. We'll stick with it. But, dude, the main thing is, like, when you're trading, like, you can have all of this daily bias and stuff, and like, this is what I try to tell everybody. You can have all of this daily bias and stuff, but if you're scalping, none of that really matters, dude. You're trying to get 10 points, right? Or whatever you're trying to get. Unless you're like swing trading, none of those super higher time frames matter. I mean, of course, you want to kind of be going with the trend and stuff, but dude, like on the NASDAQ, lately at least, if you're trading one NQ contract, one candle can literally stop you out. So it's just about being precise. It's about being precise in your entries, and, you know, that's the main thing. So, you know, main thing is try not to really market order in. It's best if you use a limit order, and then boom, you just try to catch. This is how I think about it. This is how I think about trading. I try to get in a spot where price is going to go at least a little bit in my direction. Because if price goes a little bit in my direction, I can move to break even. Does that make sense? If I can see a little bit of green in the trade, I can move it to break even, and then I can get a runner. Does that make sense? So, like, would it really make sense to enter a short after this huge candle, bearish candle. In my eyes, no, it wouldn't, right? I would rather enter on a pullback up and then, you know, try to enter a short, you know, if we're just making sense of it. Because you want to get in a spot where you can see a little bit of green. And then if you see a little bit of green, you can move that stop loss down. And that's just my way of trading. Somebody said AI getting too good. What's your portfolio? I trade on prop firms. All right, guys, I got to hop off of here. Come back tomorrow. We're live 8 a.m. Eastern time. We'll do a giveaway tomorrow if we can hit 40 likes tomorrow. I know we hit 40 likes today, but I got to run. It was a little late. So come back in the morning. We're live every day, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Join the pre-market live stream. Join the Discord and come hang out. All right, guys, I hope you have a good day. Let me know how you do in the Discord. Post your trades, win or loss. We don't care. We don't judge. Just post it so we can see how you traded. You know, what'd you enter on? Did you tilt? We don't care, man. We're all degenerates. We want to see it all, the good stuff. All right, guys. Hope you make some money. I'll see you. Peace.
Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes. Trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold. Every blade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green. Biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading gold.